coming shortly. This video is about Valentine's Day and how to get this makeup look using this palette, Fade into Hue by Colourpop. I've been wanting to do the reds out of this palette, and here we are, reds and pinks for Valentine's Day. Tune in, check it out. You'll enjoy it. Why wouldn't you? Duh. So with Valentine's Day right around the corner, I decided to do a video with pinks and reds, cause why not? I used this Colourpop palette in the red colors and pink colors. I used this gel liners, all Colourpop, glitter, you name it, I did it. I just love them, like real talk. If you haven't tried Colourpop, I'm just saying, like, for the prices too, it's not even for the prices, no. Like, they have great prices, but I really like their product. It's just, it's kind of awesome to think that there's a company that isn't, you know, charging a ton and most people could afford it. The prices are honestly comparable to like drugstore prices. I would say if you've ever considered buying Colourpop, I'm a fan. 100%. They've never sent me anything. Literally almost every other company has sent me something, but Colourpop hasn't, and I just love their stuff. Like, don't get me wrong, Colourpop, if you ever want to send me stuff, I will not be sad. I'll make all the videos for you, but real talk, I just actually fell in love lately. I'm in like this Colourpop group on Facebook, and I just love seeing everybody's looks. They have fun themes. They have a really good eye for palettes. I don't know. But with that being said, hope you enjoy this Valentine's Day extravaganza and hope you enjoy this look. Check it out. I'm starting with Lovecraft. It's a pretty pink color, this one right there. And I'm gonna use the Luxe from Stone Cold Fox at the brow bone. You can use any light color for this. It doesn't have to be from this specific palette. It's like almost white, but it's definitely off-white. Okay, now back to this. It's crazy that I never actually celebrated Valentine's Day my entire life. I was definitely like one of those girls that was like, I'm too cool for Valentine's Day. And I don't know why, it was some kind of pride. Maybe it was because I didn't ever want to get like hurt or something, that I didn't get the things I wanted, or I don't know, something was messed up. You know what I'm saying? And so I think at some point I decided that instead of celebrating Valentine's Day, I'm too cool for it. Which is silly, cause why wouldn't you wanna be like spoiled with love? Love's my favorite. I'm just blending this up a little bit. Next, I'm gonna get this darker pink down here. I honestly don't know how to pronounce half these freaking names, I swear. 8-layer? What? I don't know. I wanna say it's because I'm foreign, but I honestly just think I'm slow. And just put that all up under the other one. And then when I met my husband, I finally decided like, I love, and my husband is so romantic. He's really thoughtful. He's like the guy that'll bring you flowers just because, and he's never too proud to like do romantic stuff, you know, dancing in the kitchen, all those things, you know. He's just like the best when it comes to that stuff. And so I don't know, I got a little taste of romance from my husband and was like, well, I want more. You know, people get greedy. That's how people get greedy. I'm putting this same color on the bottom. Which you can't blame me, man. Like, real talk, it was exciting. It's crazy to think about. I got this palette a long time ago now, obviously before the holidays, And when I got it and I did the giveaway and I was thinking about it, I'm like, oh, it's such a good palette because you can use it for like different holidays, whatever. And boom, here's Valentine's Day, just like that, like overnight Valentine's Day. What? Like, I can't even believe it happened so quick. How is this year already going by that fast? How is it February? How is it February right now? Now I'm gonna use the Paradise, which is this red, baby. And that's just going right in here. So yeah, so I finally told my husband, we were together, like the first year I was totally like, I don't celebrate Valentine's Day, blah, blah, blah. BS, you know, just telling him whatever I've been telling myself for the last, you know, adult life. And then finally, you know, a couple years into our relationship, I was like, I think I want to celebrate Valentine's Day for the first time ever, like proper. And he was like, game on, you know, he's like, I know all about how to do this, because he's like that. He's just like really good at stuff. He's good with the ladies. No, but real talk though, I mean, he is like beyond thoughtful and stuff like that. So yeah, so we did it proper. He made reservations at my favorite restaurant at that time, and we got all dressed up and went out on actual Valentine's Day to a restaurant. He made the reservations, he took care of all the things, he got me all the flowers, all the stuff that you get the girls on Valentine's Day. And as much as it's like a cliche holiday, I get that. Listen, you're preaching to the choir. I definitely felt that way my whole life until I met this man. Like, he made me love more than I've ever loved before, and he is my true love. So celebrating Valentine's Day with him was like fun, you know, it was cool, and we get to go out and eat and have a good time, and it was amazing. And then we celebrated the next year too. And then last year was actually a weekend on Valentine's Day. So we actually were home with the kids and just celebrated with all the kids. Like, I made some heart Rice Krispie treats, and it was like right before our wedding. So we weren't trying to like go out or anything like that, which was totally fine because I got to celebrate it 2 years in a row, a very romantic style. And this year, obviously we're not going anywhere, and it's also on a Sunday. So all I'll be doing is being with my family. Probably in 2022 when it's back onto a Monday, which I don't know if it will be, but if it is, then we'll go out again, you know, go out to a restaurant or whatever. After blending that out, pack on a little more of that red. So you blend it out so it looks good, but then pack on a little more to make it redder. Now I'm gonna take Fantasyland and swipe that sucker right in here. Just kind of in the front, like so. And then I'm gonna take this glitter, the Prismatic, and just dab it over that. Okay, I'm gonna add this Hello Kitty sparkle glitter and add that onto it. Now I'm gonna use this Try Me liquid liner by Colourpop, and that's gonna be my liner. Now I'm gonna use the pink version, which is called Ducky, and just outline the bottom. I'm gonna take the white one and kind of draw in between those. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but red is my favorite color. Also, I'm an Aries. I like long walks on the beach and romantic Valentine's Day dinners. You knew these were coming. So good reef. These are so good to draw these kind of lines with. They go on so nice. If you have a hard time if you don't have a steady hand, this is a great way to start. I've had a lot of people ask me how do I just like freehand it, and it's because these liners are so amazing. Now Graceland, I'm gonna draw like a line again. I've done this before with the navy look I did a while back, and I'm just gonna draw a line, kind of highlighting it, making it look almost like it's glowing. So very, very thin line. Now I'm gonna take Good Reef again and just outline the bottom of this. And I'll do my waterline. I'm gonna go back in with this white and just do a thin line. I'm gonna color my heart red today. I'm gonna go put on some lashes and I'll be right back. And here is my final Valentine's Day makeup look. I added just a little bit of black, made a little point right there and a line through there, and just added some lashes, and voila, there's my Valentine's Day look. I think it's really cute. I'm gonna be so cute on Valentine's Day. Super excited to be using this Fade into Hue, all the pinks, because it's perfect for Valentine's Day. Like I said, we'll check out what's for Easter. I mean, we got a lot of Easter colors up in here. I'm really happy with this look. It's fun, it's wild, yet subtle, but it's not subtle. I don't know. I like it. I don't think it's that crazy, but maybe because I have like brown hair. I don't know. It's whatever. But I hope you all have a wonderful Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoy your day. Hopefully you're able to spend it with your loved ones. I'm gonna spend it with my husband and my children, and we're gonna probably eat treats and just appreciate each other. We'll probably have a nice dinner or something. Thanks for joining me again. I hope to see you again soon. Don't forget to click the notifications button. It'll remind you every time I post a video, and hopefully you guys join me again for another episode of Food and Beauty, and just beauty and whatever. Just me living life. I don't know. Who knows at this point what it's gonna be, but those things I assure you will be in this channel. Beauty and probably food, because I love food, if you don't already know that. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.